Parshas Rei, the fifth shir, Kisishim Mikol Hashem Elikecha, Daf Chav Gimel, Amud Gimel, and type of the page. We said you need to have a tefillah. In the tefillah you have different level. Asher tivcha v'tishkan chetzerecha nizbeh v'tuv b'yisecha. You have the level of the first courtyard, which is Psukkah de Zimran, and the second courtyard, which is the level of Krishma v'avta. And through that you come v'nizbeh v'tuv b'yisecha, coming to Shmoneh and Shemoneh Savet to the Eibishter. And that is Vayeshet HaMelech Shavet Hazav, that is extending the Ava from Shmoneh so that it should continue to Krishma as well. But that is not enough. You need to have learning Torah. Learning Torah makes it should exist. And then he continues, says, but the learning Torah itself needs a protection. The protection is through mitzvahs, and generally the mitzvahs are called mitzvah tzedakah. And that's what it says. Chazal says, if a person says only the Torah is not, he does not have anything, the simple meaning that he has to do Torah Gemilas Chasodim, and Torah by itself is not good enough. And that is what it will be understood. It says, a poor person would be, can glorify himself by the knowing the Eibishter, and he finishes off, and it seems to be, what is the connection between understanding and knowing godliness to the level of chesed, mishpat tzedakah? It seems to be two different things, but the point is, in order should be should be shining in a person, so to say, the essence of godliness should be revealed in the Torah, does not have a existence but if he has chesed and mishpat. And the reason why those are the right vessels is it contains the pasuk kibei lechafatzti. In other words, why should tzedakah and doing kindness to others, going to b'chal the mitzvahs, are going to make it that is going to establish, and for that we have the connection to the Eibishter all the time and protects it? Because one reason, because be'elu chafatzti, that's what the Eibishter wants. That the mitzvah should be the vessels legilui Oren Tzeibuchu. Asher anech Oren Tzeibuchu asher anech mitzav chayim, that hayim la'aseisom should be the revelation of Gilui of Anechi. In other words, the essence of godliness should be revealed, and that is specific because Hashem wants it should be in doing mitzvahs. However, in Eilam Abba, it's only shining. And that's what it says in the pasuk, Miyalabar Hashem Yukum Mokum Kotrei Nekikafayim, that not every person is Zeichet Eilam Abba, and many times it has to be through tremendous Yisurim. And why does a person have to go, as Chazal says, the three presents the Eibishter gave to the Yidden, all of them have to go through Yisurim, Eilam Abba, Torah, Eretz Yisrael, and Yisuri Eilam Abba are tremendously great Yisurim, much greater than Eilam Hazeh. And it seems to be, it doesn't understand why it says, one moment in this world is great in Eilam Abba, and this world you don't need so much Yisurim. You need tremendous Yisurim. But the concept is that Eilam Abba is revelation of the Ziv. When the revelation, it comes to each one according to his level, and he has to go through many different levels, and each one according to his specific level where he's holding. So if the person is not holding there, he cannot get it, because as we explained in different Maimon and previous Maimorim, that he has to be in the way of Memalekol Almim. Eilam Abba is in the way of the shining of the Oren Seif, is the way of Memalekol Almim. Therefore, each one according to his level where he reached, and where he reached, that is. And to go from one level to another level in the Memalekol Almim is a tremendous work. And if it needs to be tremendous Yisurim, we have to go to the next level, which is a tremendous pleasure and godliness. But this physical world, which is revelation of Anechi Mamash, where it says, Gam cheshech lo yachshech, darkness is not going to cover, v'kol Hashem l'chol kiv l'chol asher yikru be'emes, and Hashem is close to all of those that calling them with truth. And we said before, the truth refers to Torah, because ki hashav v'mashe katan gadol is making that the bigger ones and small ones are all the same. In other words, in the level of Sevi Kol Almim, there is no difference in the high and the lowest, and therefore one moment a person can reach from the lowest level to the highest level, and therefore in this world you don't need to have the Yisurim are not so great, and by small amount you can go much greater. And the Malachim ask, in other words, whereas Oren Tzeibuchu Mamash, that he completely not understood, cannot be reached, and they say, this physical world is full of the Hashem's glory. And therefore, in one moment in Eilam Hazeh, can accomplish much more that cannot be accomplished in the whole Gan Eden.